Hey guys, it's Aaron here from ASG Motorsports again. Well, we've got HERO back in the shop now after doing our testing out at Kooralbyn on these Hero Raiden drag radial tyres in the 275/60 against the PSR drag radial street tyre in the 275/60. So testing went well. We started off on the Hero. We did about 4 passes. Now the reason why we needed 4 runs to get HERO down the track was because the car's now on E85, so we changed a few things around. After those changes, we needed about 4 runs to get a nice, consistent run so that we could do some back-to-back data. So after our 4th pass on the Heroes, we completely parked the car, jacked it up, took the wheels off, busted the bead locks open, swapped the tyres over to as you see now. So both tyres tested on exactly the same rim, exactly the same tune-up, on exactly the same day, on exactly the same surface. What we can tell you is that HERO, from one run, the best run on the Hero tyres, to the best run on the PSR tyre, was 0.07 of a second difference over the 8th mile out at Kooralbyn on the airstrip. So we found that we'd like to have done a little bit more with the PSR, but we only got 2 hits. The first hit, because the tyres were brand new, blew the tyre off on the start line and we recovered, and it was still a quick time, but we drove straight back around, cooled the car down, went back out, did the second run on exactly the same tune-up that we'd run the Heroes on, and made a hit, and it made exactly the same hit. There was literally nothing in the drive shaft curve or wheel slip percentages to say that one tyre is better than the other. So our findings definitively say that both tyres appear to be extremely good on that surface, and there was no defining evidence to say that the Hero was worse or the PSR was worse. In my personal opinion, from my experience with the testing that we did, both tyres are equally on par with each other. We were going to go and do a test run to back this tyre up and the PSR tyre against a 28 by 10 inch drag slick, but on the last run on the PSR tyre, HERO shit a crank angle sensor and it ended our day. So we didn't get to do the run that we wanted to on the drag slick to see on the same tune-up if the drag slick was any faster than these on a pure Ashfelt street surface such as Kooralbyn, similar to Lakeside or Queensland Raceway. But what we do know is both these tyres are awesome. We highly recommend both tyres, and we would like to thank the guys at PSR for hooking us up with a set of these tyres to do some testing, and the results have proven that they are an excellent tyre, and you know, you guys just need to choose what you're happy with. Either tyre is going to do the same job from my perspective. So good luck guys out there racing, whether it be at Kooralbyn coming up in a couple of weeks or whether it's at the next Lakeside event. We wish you all the best of luck, and we'll see you out there on the start line.